Kilo, ayy, yeah. Clutch. I'm in the clutch, we in the clutch, it's team up and clutch. You think that we suck, your dreams are the luck, your ship is just sunk, we turn off away. Ooh, yeah, see that my face is up in disgust because people talking a mess, but there's nothing to discuss. I'm just being honest, I'm keeping it a bug.
We in the clutch!
What's going on, Clutch Squad?
What up, what up, what up?
It's your boy Dub.
It's your boy Ross.
And we are in the
Clutch.
Hey, back to you, ladies and gentlemen, of the video today. You feel me?
5 scary videos filmed by Doorbell cameraman. We in the month of October. So we're going to get on some of the more scarier type vids, more creepy type vids for this month. Yeah, so be on the lookout for that, man. And also we're going to be doing some scary games this month, man.
Sir.
So I'm looking forward to that.
In.
If you guys haven't already, go subscribe to the Clutch Going Gaming page, YouTube. That's where we'll be streaming some of these scary games. It's gonna be a good month.
It is.
We're gonna have a good time. Let's get into this one. I'm really interested to see what to get caught on these doorbell cameras.
Ooh.
5.
What
you're number 5.
You just heard number 5.
What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019.
Oh wow.
Damn.
The homeowner writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
Damn. Jesus.
It's okay, girl. It is okay. Get your dog.
I be trying to figure out what the fuck people be trying to get. Cause bro, give me my phone, my wallet, my keys, and whatever I can grab along with the kids, we out.
Yep. Things can be replaced. You can't. Simple as that, bro.
I would have been gone. That car would have been started.
Yep.
Doors open. Boom, boom, boom.
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
He got toys and shit.
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people.
Damn, bro.
Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
Oh, that's a blessing, bro.
That was clutch.
That's a blessing, bro.
Number 4.
Uh-oh.
His favorite number.
What the?
It's everyone's worst nightmare. A home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
He need a bullet in his ass.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Sorry, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f are you?
Hell no, bro. We don't ask no questions, nigga.
What a pop
You know this
ass.
is not in the state of Texas.
You know,
I can tell you now.
You know for a fact.
This is not in it. It
At
don't
all.
even get that far.
Niggas, I ain't gonna lie. Niggas in Texas, it's almost like they wish somebody would come in their house. They be sitting there ready. They be trigger ready.
It don't even get that
It's
far.
like you falling into a lion's den. Lion gonna be like, wait.
Niggas not even gonna ask you what do you need as soon
That
as
food?
you even try to touch the doorknob, shots being sent your way, bro. That's just it. So I already knew this wasn't in Texas. I can tell you this now.
Nigga got on there and said, hey, what you need?
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Somebody's got the back door, dude.
Yo!
For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
Of course.
Joking, dude.
I know, I see the light.
He wouldn't even got that far, bro.
Number 3. You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker. He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious.
He got his hands in his pocket.
He tries to force the door. Notice he does so with a glove. No prints.
You did.
Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime. Then he calls someone on the radio.
It's crazy. He's caught right on camera too. I was like, so stupid.
Bro, that's ridiculous, bro.
His partner arrives.
About to go to work.
Armed with the tools to break in.
Oh, wow. Oh, they had this plan.
In short order, they try and force the door.
They got it all on camera too.
But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
The homeowner was
Get away
alerted
from
on their
the door.
phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away.
Yep.
Love it,
And
bro.
triggering an alarm.
Love those cams, dog.
Yeah.
He
I don't
better
get the
than me.
point.
I'm like, hey, yo, you know I've been watching you niggas the
Right.
entire time. The cop.
I would have called the cops to catch him.
Facts.
Bro, people don't realize, bro, stealing nowadays is pointless. Ever, to be honest with you, but even more now, bro, there's cameras everywhere. People got Ring cameras. This dude, they blurred his face out, but they got him in 4K.
Yeah, they
Like, they can identify you like that.
niggas got up out of there quick. It's like
Yeah.
it's too late now. We
Like,
got
come
you.
on, bro.
Fucking assholes, man.
Then they
Number
motion
2.
censored the cameras.
Would
not
you
even
open
in
the door if
agreement.
the police came dressed like this? These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner.
It's a 360 camera. You see the gun in his pocket?
They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
Yep.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
At 3 in the morning.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
With a fucking Rugrats hoodie on.
What a Rugrats city, bro.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick.
Dumb shit here.
He tries again.
Piece of
Niggas
garbage,
sitting
bro.
on the side of the camera because you don't think the camera catching them.
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Hey,
Obviously, the
fuck
homeowner
you.
knows what's going on.
Yeah.
But these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the
CPD.
homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
You think I'm DUMD?
We would like you to step to the door, please,
say,
sir. I
"Can
don't
I
have
see
to
a
show you
badge?"
my badge, sir.
I don't have to show you my badge. That's, bro.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
And then you come to that door and start blasting.
Bah, bah, bah. Exactly what's going. That's what you're gonna hear next.
This is DUMB, man, coming to the door.
Right. That's exactly.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the U.S. average.
Damn.
There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
That's crazy. They arm robbery too.
Stupid fucks. Boy, people like this is irritating me, dog.
Yeah, they do.
Fucking bums.
They
bro.
try knocking again.
Now, here we came out there, guns ablazing, and niggas be feeling some type of way.
He done showed his face.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way.
And they sat there.
I hope they got caught, bro.
Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed.
Fucking, oh my, it's so messed up.
That's the dumbest shit. But
I hope they would have got
my
caught,
comments,
bro.
And then you got a gun ready to rob them. Armed robbery.
It's 3 in the morning. What type of gullible CPD up?
I don't got to show you my badge. I just need you to open the door. All right. Somebody else about to open the door.
Then they be feeling all types of shit. Nigga open the door with a shotgun ready to go. Because a shotgun, you ain't got to worry about that. You just shoot. That's it. Whatever's in front of it is gone. It's just shotgun gone. There it is. All right.
Watch it spray.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Like,
always trying to take away from somebody that works for theirs, bro.
Facts.
It's getting dangerous to do that shit now.
Yeah.
Back in the day, yeah, because everybody wasn't armed. Now, the robbers getting killed more than the people that they trying to rob.
Number 1, a tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
Damn. Now, this has always been my biggest fear.
Sheesh.
A tornado. Because, like, there's nothing you can do. The winds are going so fast. It's so much force.
Yeah, it's
taking everything with it.
Yeah.
So that's all.
You got a basement. It's wraps.
Yeah, and we don't have basements out here.
Nah.
So I always, go in the bathroom. Fuck that gonna do. I ain't got nothing to grab.
Yeah, bro.
But I mean, I get it, but still. Like,
yeah, nah, bro. It's wraps, G.
And this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
Damn, bro, look at that.
God damn. Sheesh.
This has been documented reality.
They drove right into that though.
Damn, bro. Hey, man. Yo, that was definitely some scary vids, bro.
That was some interesting
videos, ones. Yeah, bro.
It's a way to get into the month of October by watching some real.
Bless you.
Thank you. Real spooky-ish, weird type films on Doorbell. So if y'all know what time it is, y'all make sure y'all comment what other videos we need to be checking out since it's October. So
facts.
Keep on running with the like, supporting us, and spreading love and being love. Catch y'all on the next video. Peace out.
Already.
The bitch from Houston. If you got a problem, then we got the solutions. And there's no illusion. I made this shit happen. I'm living life lucid. I'm switching my strategies. Now they hate on me cause I'm causing casualties. So why are they after me? Deep inside they know they can't handle half of me.